Here I've got HUAWEI Honor 9X, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first you have to locate and open your Play Store. It's right here, then tap on the More icon, go to My Apps and Games, and here in the first tab you will find updates. So here you've got all apps that can be updated. If you would like to update Google, for example, or any app that appears here, just tap on Update right next to the application icon. And if you have more than one app to update, you can click here where you will find Update All. Now you can smoothly use your phone in a normal way. You can search the browser, watch some movie, call your friends, and then if you'll go back here, you'll be able to see if it has been already done or not. Just wait a couple of seconds until it is. And as you can see, it has been done. Right here you've got Google under recently updated. So this is it, that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily update apps on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.